Imagine stepping into a garden that's not just a feast for the eyes but a fortress against pests. Welcome to the world of companion planting, where nature's own defenses work to keep your green spaces serene and pest-free. Take for instance rosemary and basil. These aren't just culinary delights, they're warriors in disguise. Rosemary repels a variety of insects harmful to vegetable plants, while basil's strong scent keeps away the dreaded mosquitoes and flies. Then there's mint, the cool, refreshing herb that does more than jazz up your juleps. Plant mint near entryways and around the patio to ward off ants and mosquitoes. But the list doesn't end here. Thyme, a robust herb, is excellent for keeping cabbage worms at bay. Alliums, like chives, send a clear message to aphids to stay away. And let's not forget about the vibrant marigolds and cheerful nasturtiums. Marigolds are known for their ability to repel pests that target tomatoes and other vegetables, while nasturtiums are a catch-all pest deterrent, making them perfect companions in any vegetable patch. These plants do more than protect. They enhance your garden's ecosystem, inviting beneficial pollinators while keeping the unwanted guests out. So why not embrace these natural protectors and enjoy a garden that's as healthy as it is beautiful? After all, nature's own solutions are often the most elegant.